Welcome everyone to the Lucky Charm Flyer program. But before we dive into the details, don't forget to show us some love by liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more exciting updates. Now, let's talk about what this program has to offer. The Lucky Charm Flyer program is your ticket to earning 300 cash along with 500 full data leads. These leads include vital information like names, addresses, cell phone numbers, and email addresses of potential buyers eagerly awaiting your flyer or postcard. And here's the best part. When someone joins through your flyer, you'll not only pocket 300 but also receive a bonus of 5 books of stamps. The process couldn't be simpler. Just distribute your personalized flyer and watch as the cash and stamps start pouring into your mailbox. With a swift turnaround time of 7 to 10 days after mailing, getting started is a breeze, and if you find yourself in need of leads, don't worry. We've got you covered with full data leads of MLM and network marketers primed and ready to join our programs. Say goodbye to financial struggles and hello to opportunity. Take action now by joining the Cash Cow program Flyers and Postcard and unlock the potential to earn anywhere from 300 to 1500 cash each time someone joins from your flyer. Plus, with over 40 mailbox cash money-making postcards and flyers available, there's no limit to what you can achieve. And here's the cherry on top. Each time someone joins, they're supporting a prison ministry. So not only are you building your financial future, but you're also making a positive impact on others' lives. Ready to take charge of your financial future? Join the Lucky Charm 300 Flyers program today and experience the difference for yourself. And remember, don't miss out on future updates. Like, share and subscribe to our channel for more exciting opportunities. It's time to start receiving real mailbox cash money, and the Cash Cow Flyers program is here to make it happen. Join now and unlock the best flyer programs on the market. Go to www.cashcoprogram.com. Don't forget to show us some love by liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more exciting updates. Call 346-704-1754. Take action now.